everybody. So we've been reviewing your comments, and we see that a lot of people want more A to Z projects, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. I'm really excited about this piece of furniture that came into the shop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the whole aspects of upholstery. We're going to start with the stripping process, and then we're going to start with measuring after that. That would be 2. And then sewing, and then applying. I mean, those are the basic steps. But first I want to talk a little bit about this piece. So this piece of furniture came to me, it's a Baker, which is a high-end piece of furniture. It has 8-way coil springs. And the only thing wrong with this project, the only thing wrong with this love seat, is it's a soft tufted back, by the way. I'll explain that as we go along. It's not a complete diamond tuft. Although it is diamond shape, it's a soft tufting, but we'll get to that later. But this piece of furniture, it's a shame because the silk on it was a very expensive silk, but it was in the sun, and as you can see, sun is not good for silk. So this project is a reupholstering only. We're not stripping this down to the frame. There's no need to. So the client is happy in that regard that it's not going to be as expensive. But I'm going to show you how to strip a piece of furniture wisely and upholster it in sections. So I'm kind of excited about that. I think this is the first opportunity that we have had to show you a project of this size from A to Z. So let's get going.